In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Pipedrive account. So go ahead and open your web browser and type in pipedrive.com. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, which is usually found in the upper right corner. Click on that and enter your credentials to sign into your account. If this is your first time using Pipedrive, you'll need to create an account, but today we're focusing on connecting it to Outlook. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Pipedrive Marketplace. This is where all the integrations and apps are housed. You can usually find the Marketplace link in the top navigation bar or sometimes tucked away in the Settings menu. It may look like a small puzzle piece or simply say Marketplace. Click on that to enter. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll want to search for Outlook. In the search bar that's located within the Marketplace, just type in Outlook and hit Enter. Look through the search results for an app called Pipedrive for Outlook. It usually stands out, so you should be able to spot it fairly easily. When you find it, go ahead and click on it to access the app's details page. Now you'll see a button that says Authorize. This is an important step. Clicking on it allows Pipedrive and Outlook to securely share data. It's all about making sure that your information can flow between these two platforms seamlessly, which is what you want for better productivity. After you authorize the app, the next thing you want to do is install it. You'll see a button that reads Proceed with Install. Click on that, and this will begin the background setup process. Depending on your internet speed and the responsiveness of your systems, this might take just a moment. Don't worry if it takes a little time. It's working to connect everything together. Once the installation is complete, you won't just stop there. Follow the brief on-screen instructions that pop up after the installation. This will help you configure the final settings inside your Outlook app or device. These instructions are typically straightforward and will guide you step by step to ensure everything is set up properly. Make sure you take a moment to review any additional settings they might provide, such as choosing what data you want to sync, notifications, and more. It's always good to customize things to suit your personal workflow. And there you have it. Once you finish these steps, your Outlook and Pipedrive will be linked, ready to help streamline your emails, contacts, and sales activities, all from a single platform. If you enjoyed this how-to guide, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. That way, you won't miss out on more useful tips and tricks.